Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from all Steam Workshop items at once using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your heavy, cluttered folder lists on your current setup session, so your computer does not have to waste power loading hundreds of old files. Step 1. Open your main profile dashboard page. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop screen and navigate straight to your personal account overview page. Move your mouse pointer up to the top menu bar of your screen workspace, find your personal account name printed in large letters, move your cursor down onto it, and click once on the row that says Profile. Watch for your main personal profile window to slide open right in the middle of your monitor screen view, showing your avatar picture and your game statistics. Because you cannot clear out your collection files from the standard store shelves or your basic library rows, you have to open this central profile room first so the application can look at your personal ownership lists. Without this step, your software will keep your custom choices hidden away in your background folders. Step 2. Enter the Workshop section room. Next, you need to slide down your personal links to find the dedicated management shelf where the computer keeps a record of all your community add-on items. Look at the menu list sitting on the right-hand side of your profile screen canvas rows. Scroll down near the bottom, find the word labeled Workshop Items or Workshop, and click on it once. Watch for a new clean page layout to show up flat against your background view, displaying the specific games you have downloaded custom items for. Because every account profile has separate tracking blocks for photos, videos, and game guides, clicking this specific row tells the system engine to filter out everything else and focus entirely on your workshop files. It ensures you can view your active community links in a simple formatted form. Step 3. Navigate to your subscribed items checklist. Now you need to locate the hidden submenu that lists every single item you have personally subscribed to across all your different games. Move your mouse pointer over to the right side of the Active Workshop window, look for the small menu block under your profile picture row, find the text link that says Subscribed Items, and click it once. Review the long list that appears on your screen, which shows every single custom map, clothing item, and tool pack you have ever added to your files. Because this preference list dictates exactly what files the computer memory card is forced to download in the background. If you try to delete these items by hunting through your regular computer folders, the internet network will simply download them back onto your machine the next time you turn it on. Opening this specific order page lets you look at the core commands controlling your storage card. Look right above the top item in your mod list, find the large button row that says Unsubscribe from All, click it once with your main mouse button. And that's it. To unsubscribe from all Steam Workshop items at once, you must first click your account name at the top and open your profile page on your screen. Then, you move your mouse to the right side menu and click on the Workshop Items row on your screen canvas rows. Next, you look under your profile picture to click the Subscribed Items link to view your whole list of add-ons. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.